How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In a quick comparison video between NordVPN and VyprVPN, two of the most popular VPNs out there. Now, before we begin, if you guys are interested, by the way, in any of these VPNs, be it Vypr or Nord, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below. Okay, now, both NordVPN and VyprVPN are quality services with loyal fan bases. Both are amazing at bypassing geo-blocks, so users have access to US Netflix and websites censored in China. In fact, with their proprietary chameleon technology, VyprVPN is one of the best VPNs for China out there. Plus, both have top-of-the-line security features, including AES 256-bit encryption and NAT firewall. Now, technically, they both have kill switches, although some users have reported the kill switch not kicking in as quick as it should. Okay, now with regards to speed, I'll talk about speed, servers, support, ease of use, and the pricing, by the way, so stick around to learn all about these VPNs. But if you're interested in learning more, you'll find reviews down below. If you'd like to know more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of these VPNs. Okay, so with VyprVPN and NordVPN here, with unlimited bandwidth and lots of servers in many countries, NordVPN and VyprVPN offer fast connections and high speeds. Plus, their excellent capabilities with regard to bypassing geo restrictions make them both great options for those looking for a smooth streaming experience. Now, if you're looking for a VPN that unblocks more streaming services and streaming libraries, then definitely just go with NordVPN over Vypr. Now, with regards to servers, VyprVPN is rocking 700 VPN servers in over 70 countries, whereas with NordVPN, you've got over 5,000 servers in 60 countries. So there's not much of a difference. VyprVPN has a few more servers here and there, but if you're looking to specifically, again, just unblock streaming services, just go with NordVPN. VyprVPN, in my opinion, is going to be your best choice if you are in censorship-heavy countries. NordVPN does work in censorship-heavy countries, including China, but you might have to download the specific version of NordVPN that looks exactly like this one, but it just works in censorship-heavy countries. It's just made to work in censorship-heavy countries. But if you're looking for features, though, you'll notice that also NordVPN has more features. What you get with VyprVPN, is the kill switch, which will switch off your internet connection when the VPN disconnects unexpectedly or when you turn off the VPN. You've got some protocols here, including VyprVPN supports a bunch of protocols, including OpenVPN and WireGuard. And of course, NordVPN, has NordLynx and OpenVPN. NordLynx is definitely making NordVPN surpass every other VPN in the market today with this NordLynx protocol. It's super quick. It is a true WireGuard protocol, and it definitely beats most other protocols. You also have custom DNS, and you do have custom DNS with NordVPN. The only difference is that with VyprVPN, you will get split tunneling and an app kill switch. Not only do you get a conventional kill switch, but also the app kill switch, which will close selected apps when you disconnect from the VPN, or the connection drops unexpectedly, and split tunneling, which will let you select which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not. It's going to be very helpful for a lot of people. You do get also an ad blocker, but with VyprVPN, you won't be getting much. And again, you do get specialty servers, and you also get one more specialty type of server, the dedicated IP server. You just have to switch to OpenVPN, and it'll pop up right here. Though I do recommend just sticking to NordLynx. Is definitely the best performing protocol. Now, in terms of support, both VPNs do have live chat support. So no worries there when it comes to connecting to the service provider so that they can kind of maybe help you with whatever problem you might be having. NordVPN specifically, their live chat support is super responsive and very knowledgeable. And it's obviously 24/7. It's a 24/7 live chat support. And NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of the plans, whereas VyprVPN does not offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for refunds. So keep that in mind when picking a plan here with VyprVPN. And with regards to refunds, both VPNs do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. As you can tell here with VyprVPN, all plans come with the 30-day money-back guarantee. You can cancel anytime within the first 30 days, and it's the same with NordVPN. You'll notice that NordVPN, surprisingly enough, is actually half the price, almost half the price of VyprVPN, not only is it half the price, but you're also paying half the price while getting 2 years instead of just one with VyprVPN. So it's really up to you. It is a pretty safe VPN overall. Again, it is publicly audited. Both VPNs are audited, by the way. VyprVPN do have a solid no logs policy, and they do uphold the security standards that they claim. And NordVPN is obviously also audited multiple times. It's been audited multiple times to prove the security and the integrity of their privacy policy and how much they kind of value the user's anonymity. Now, with regards to ease of use, you'll notice that NordVPN is an exceptional all-around product. It's easy to install and use and maintains fast and reliable connections. It also offers a number of protocols. And as you can tell, with regards to the UI, overall, you will notice that VyprVPN is super simple. There's really nothing to it. Just connect, you customize connection and servers, and that's about it. I'm not signed in, so I can't really get into it. NordVPN is also kind of a little bit more kind of complicated, you could say, but in my opinion, it is actually easier to use. And of course, you have NordVPN, which is also a very easy to use kind of VPN with this very nice map layout here, which you can maximize as much as you would like. You can kind of just customize it, and it's super easy to use. There's nothing complicated. Everything is very easily readable. I wish they had dark mode though on. They do have dark mode on Mac, but they don't have dark mode on Windows, so that's just a little bit weird to me. Also, VyprVPN, excuse me, is also a very easy VPN to use. So, yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. If you're interested in any of these VPNs, again, you'll find links to reviews and pricing discounts in the description down below. If you'd like to claim any of these discounts while they last or learn about these VPNs. In my opinion, if you're looking for an all-around kind of VPN that works very well, for most people, really, just go with NordVPN. It'll allow you to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. Whereas VyprVPN will allow for up to 30 devices per license. So yeah, that is another reason why VyprVPN is a bit more expensive, is because you can use the same license for 30 separate devices, whereas with NordVPN it's just for 6. And that'll be it for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to special deals and discounts in the description down below. Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.